So wild. So wild, man. Fuck's sake. Hello mga chay, good morning viewers, good morning internet, good morning Winnipeg. Good morning pa kasi alas 11 pa lang ng umaga. Anyway, pupuntahan ko na ngayon ang truck. Kasi nung isang araw pa siya natapos sa Peterbilt. Then, lalabas ko lang sa shop. And I'm ready to go on Monday, Texas. Wallet, cell phone. Magtatanong din ako ng hindi ko pa nagawa yung ano yung grinding sa garahe. So tinignan ko yung video. It takes 3 days lahat in total. Once na in-apply mo na yung paint sa garahe, 3 days bago ipasok yung sasakyan. Titingnan ko muna ngayon sa Home Depot after ng sarado na.
Where's the fly?
Where?
On my side.
Trailer ko.
Oh, where's the truck?
Oh, yan ang trailer ko. Puntahan natin yung truck. Here's the sticker. Kasi kukunin natin ang truck. Lalagyan natin dyan sa
Do I have
gilid.
to come?
Yeah. You wanna stay?
No.
Ang init.
Why do you call him? He's big.
Bordeaux is big.
So what's his name? What's his name in English?
Bordeaux?
Yeah.
Big guy.
So you call him big guy?
Yeah, big guy. Yan ang mga bagong trucks. Peterbilt, Manitoba.
How much are those?
That's, I don't know.
250,000.
Maybe. Naalala mo yung kid ka? Bata ka pa? Tumakbo ka dito, oh.
I remember, yeah, there was like a
Two trucks there.
There was a turquoise truck, and I was taking a picture with it.
Yeah.
That one. It looks like that one.
No, that's a new truck.
No, it looked like a turquoise.
Torque?
Like, you know, like it's like green, like green and blue mixed together.
Hmm.
The picture.
Dito yung truck ko nakapark, tapos tumatakbo ka.
Yeah. I remember that.
I remember the day.
It looks like this one, but different.
Yeah. That's a good trucks there.
I like the gray one.
The gray?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
These are all new ones.
all new. That's classic.
Classic new truck.
The classic trucks. Where's the big guy? Here. Where is the big guy? Where's the big guy? Where's the big guy? That's a shop. It's already paid?
Yeah,
Good.
it is. The RHS was replaced. And then
The what?
RHS.
What is that?
Stand. Guys, what's RHS?
Right hand shift on the shifter.
The shifter?
Yeah.
Oh, what happened?
Just reading the notes here. Like, there's an update to them. There's a campaign that's out there for them. Where sometimes the old ones,
The shifter, the drive, neutral?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like that'll sometimes throw codes. So then they have a campaign to replace them.
Oh, really?
See.
Yeah, because it caused with the transmission fault when I switch.
Yeah, sometimes got that too. They'll throw random codes on you when you go to shift.
Yeah.
It's the shifter having communication issues.
Yeah, even if I'm gonna engage my engine brake,
Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, it's
Yeah.
the transmission fault is
Code.
ups out.
Yeah, so they changed it out and they road tested. They checked the electrical. They replaced the shifter. They road tested it. No codes came active.
Uh-huh.
Did a final check on return and they checked out okay. There wasn't any issues.
No issues?
Yeah.
I hope so. Because I have another load going to Texas. It's a big load. It's an oversized load.
Yeah, I don't have add-on.
Yeah.
Give me the notes
Yeah.
here just to make sure.
So pinalitan nila yung knob kasi yun ang problema. Every time mag-change ako ng gear through manual, lumalabas yung fault. So pumayag sila na iiwanan ko yung aking trailer at saka truck dito sa yard ng Peterbilt. Yeah.
Was there a malfunction?
There's a malfunction on right hand signal, or I mean yung switch dito sa drive, neutral drive. Yeah. So yun ang naging problema, yun ang pinalitan na. But I hope so na yun nga ang pinalitan nila, yun nga ang naging problema ng truck. Kasi pag once na ginamit na siya, loaded na siya, and then gumamit ako ng manual para hindi, lalo na mga palusong kasi gumagamit ako ng manual, paahon, ako na yung nagko-control ng gear, hindi na yung truck. Kasi pag automatic, ilagay mo automatic, kusa siyang nag-automatic mag-change ng gear. So ang ginagawa ko, manual. So ngayon, hindi ko siya mailagay ng manual in the last few months kasi nga nagma-malfunction yung transmission niya. So yun ang sinabi nila, pinalitan na ng RHS, right hand signal, sabi niya, right hand RHB, right hand knob, RHN. So pinalitan na right hand knob, RHK. RHK yung pinalit, right hand knob yung pinalitan. Yung switch dito, drive, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung pinalitan nila. But I hope, fingers crossed, na yun nga ang problema ng sasakyan, hindi yung mismong transmission. Walang problema sa transmission. Kasi kung magka-problema at yun ang problema, kakaproblema ako ngayon papuntang Texas. Kasi may biyahe ako papuntang Texas, sa Cloud, Texas this week, next week. And yeah, so hintayin ko lang dito sa parking, ilalabas na nila. So
Put it right here.
they're gonna put it here. Yeah. So iwanan ko dun sa parking nila, babalikan ko sa Monday. Saturday, ayun, yun sa Bordagol, oh.
It's here.
Yan, nilabas na nila. Yeah. So by Saturday, kakarga na ako ng mga gamit, everything. Monday morning, holiday, Terrifax Day, holiday sa Canada. So it's a long weekend na naman sa mga
And we're gonna go-kart later.
go-kart later. And yeah, so kailangan, sabi nila kasi iwanan mo na lang truck dito, then balikan mo may Monday morning. Sabi ko may holiday sa Monday morning.
From this way.
Siya, oo nga pala, may holiday nga pala. So, here. So it says here, Monday, we will be closed. Terrifax Day. So, holiday sa Monday. So, kailangan makuha contract ngayon. Sira na naman ang trappers. Ito, owner-operator to eh. 6688. Kasi mga truck ng trappers ay yellow.
I think they're all the same.
Yeah.
Those two
Yellow yung
trucks,
mga truck
though.
nila. Pag mga ibang kulay, owner of. Sira men, sira ang truck. Burdagul, burdagul. Oh, sana ayos na. Yes sir. Yeah, you wanna
Oh, what
hop
was
in?
that sound?
That's the parking brake. Thanks, boss.
No problem. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
They cleaned everything.
No, they didn't clean. Yeah, see? Dirty. Huh? Bakit sila dyan? Bakit? Sobrang dumi. So anyway, linisin natin ng truck. Ito yung pinalitan nila, oh. Yeah, ito yung pinalitan nila.
Oh,
See?
it was a malfunction.
Yeah, so kita mo parang bago na, oh. Yeah, ito yung pinalitan nila, yung knob.
Was it gonna clean it?
Ah, no.
Why is it so dirty?
We're gonna clean it now, okay?
Oh, put on the seatbelt.
Yeah, seatbelt please. So ito yung merong malfunction itong knob. So bago na, I hope. Okay na siya.
Wait, so they looked inside?
No, they changed everything. This one. The drive, reverse. Park tayo dun sa ano. Park tayo dun sa ang dumi ni Burdagol.
There's so much bugs on the front.
Yeah, I know, right?
There's a butterfly.
The return of the comeback. The return of the comeback.
There's an airplane.
Burdagol.
What's your clock?
Okay. Can you press that one?
This?
Yeah, press the up. Okay. That's to lower the drive, the tires at the back.
Why?
We're gonna hook up with it with my trailer.
What's your trailer?
Here.
Oh, that?
Okay.
Oh, that's your trailer?
It's not centered. Are you ready?
Yeah. Is it gonna connect?
I'm gonna connect.
Like, attach?
Yes.
I've tried this in the gate. Like,
Did
have
you?
to- yeah. Oh my god.
You ready? It's gonna be like
Oh. Oh.
ooh.
I
Then
never
press
did
that one
This?
up,
Up?
so the airbag will go up. Yeah,
Which
this one.
Down?
There you go.
That was so heavy. Like, oh shit. Oh. Oh, those connect?
So, no, tumataas na yung airbag.
Oh,
Look at the
that?
airbag. Yan mo, hawakan mo. See, you hear the crackings?
Yeah.
So they pull up.
Wait, are those the airbags?
Yeah, that's the airbags. And then I'm gonna connect my airlines. This is a line.
What is that?
Going in. Yeah, tataas na yung airbags nito. You hear the airs?
Yeah.
Going up.
I draw this exact load.
The what?
I draw the exact same training.
RGN?
Yeah, this one. I draw it. Oh, where's the airbag? Oh, is that the airbag?
Yeah.
It's on
Okay.
that side.
Tara, linisin muna natin yung loob ng truck. I mean, ano lang yung vacuum.
What's the back? Oh, yeah, the
There's
vacuum.
vacuum in. No, there's a vacuum inside.
But that's, that usually has a big one.
I'm gonna clean it first. Inside.
It's another airplane. Okay.
So, iwanan ko si Bordagol dito sa parking ng Peterbilt sa Winnipeg. Babalikan ko siya by tawag dito Monday morning.
Wait, so Paul, you parked there and then you walked here.
See you on Monday. Denfred. I don't know if Denfred. Yeah, I think so.
Wait, that's different.
Yeah.
Wait, that's his truck? Wait, Paul, how do you know?
Yeah, I think it's Denfred.
Oh, that's him!
Yeah.
I saw his face. Look, you can see his face. Look, it's him. Is that him? That is him. He's driving.
Okay.
Big suckers here, they just slide into place, but they're all diamond plates.
And then how about the Sunder? The
Oh, this one's just the grinder.
That's the
it'll-
grinder?
Yeah, it'll grind down the surface for you. That's why I was thinking more so the floor polisher or maintainer one. I think would be the better option because
Which
it
one, that
doesn't
one?
look too rough.
Yeah.
What you got there, so I don't think you need to. Like, there's no coating removal. It's just preparing the surface.
just preparing the surface too for.
So I think that one would be the better option for you, honestly. And also, it's just easier too. Like, it's not as heavy. Like that you can load pretty much by yourself, and then, like I said, have it level with your waist while you're running it, so then just side to side.
That's include. There's a water coming out on that one. No, just
That one, no, that one's just dry.
just dry.
Yeah.
So it's be
Pretty dusty.
Dusty?
This one too, though, like
The
all
same?
of them are all dusty. Yeah. But like this one has a bit of a covering to keep some of the dust in check, and then again you have the vacuum hose that you can catch on.
So dito kami sa Home Depot today para mag-rent ng polisher para matapos ko na yung aking yung aking garage ma-level up, matanggal yung Then yung rent niya ay umabot ng $179 for 24 hours.
That's
Yeah.
a day.
That's a day, yeah.
So you return it at night time.
No, tomorrow. We're gonna return it tomorrow.
In the place, that's it. Then it's ready to go for you. Once you have that on there, again keep the height adjustment. That's this guy. Adjust it so it's level with your waist.
Where's the adjustment? This one?
That handle, yeah.
Okay. But this one, there's no adjustment, right, on the floor?
Yeah, nothing like that for this guy. That's what I was saying with this one. It's just you gotta keep an eye on it, make sure you're having a good level space on it.
Yeah.
And then see the bottom. So press the safety on the right hand here, and then trigger.
That's a safety? Okay.
That's it, that's all there is to it.
All
Like I
right.
said, just keep it like here. That's
I'll just give it like this here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. Tatapusin ko to bago ako babalik sa trabaho. Itong aking project dito sa garahe. Kasi gusto ko siya maging finish. Hindi man siya magiging perfect, but at least magiging finish ko lang, ma-apply ko ng coating para mas malinis din. Tsaka ko ayusin yung mga pintura dito sa taas. Ako nang gagawa. Gagawin ito aking garahe na maganda, malinis, and yeah, para pwedeng tambayan ba. Hirap niyang i-control. Tumatakbo agad siya dito eh. Kanina pa ako nagpa-practice. Hindi mo ba, parang ito yung handle niya pangit eh. I mean, parang loose. Ito nyo ha. Lalagay daw sa may waistline. Okay. Dito. Lock the handle. Oh. Tumatakbo agad siya dito eh. Ay. Babalik ko to.
It's all dusty now. Oh, does it push you?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Sige, sir. May mga tubig.
It's so dusty.
So, kanina, struggle ako sa pag-start nitong machine. So ngayon, so naniniwala kayo na lahat ay pwedeng pag-aralan. So okay na na-control ko na. Kaya ko na kontrolin yung machine. Ooh. Oh.
What's that sound?
Ay nako guys, hindi ko matapos yung trabaho today. Kaya naman today, hugasan ko today. Then bukas ng umaga tapusin ko lahat ngayon. Polish. Yung palang aking kinuha, hindi siya yung natatanggal na nalaline niya yung semento. So parang pinapolish lang niya. Okay na rin yan. Polish niya bago ko lalagyan ng epoxy tomorrow. Ngayon dahil meron kami ibabalik na gamit sa Home Depot, then bibili na rin ako ng epoxy para bukas ng umaga pipintura na ako sa sahig. Init.
Oh,
Yes.
it's not showing me your Wi-Fi.
Oh, where's my phone?
It's not showing me.
Init. Naka-block pa. There you go. Just go.
I found it.
Busy.
So is that the bully?
Listen, bud, you guys gotta be careful about the way you treat him.
Yeah, stop being a bully.
No, like that right there. I remember that forever.
Saan galing tumasa ka na to?
It's not cut it. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
Kaya ang hirap kontrolin. So hanggang sa memorize na ng muscle mo, okay na siya. Nakapag-aralan din. Come on, right turn.
Hi.
Hi.
Ganda ng car. Hi! My baby! Where is my bag?
It's right here.
Oh, tinatago mo. Ay, nakakuha ka na.
What's this?
Ano to?
Oh, this is a piston ring.
Akala ko nakakuha ka na.
Bumili ako ng bulb.
Ah.
Nasaan ang bulb eh? Oh,
Mama, no.
sa front.
Para saan yan?
Mama,
Baka
no.
kundi yung sa unahan.
Mama, no.
Dear, 6 to 2:30 kami tomorrow.
6:30?
Mom.
6 a.m.
Oh,
to 2:30.
oh. Anong gagawin?
Eh, hatid mo ako.
Oh.
Wala akong...
Mom, hungry. I haven't ate.
Tapos nag-message si Ina. Kung pwede raw ihatid mo siya ng 10
Ma, Papa
na
bought a machine.
umaga.
Ma!
Tapos ay susunduin ng 4.
Ma! Ma!
Ah,
Papa bought a machine to grind.
anong machine na naman?
That was $100.
Ano na naman iyo? Machine.
Saan tayo?
Sa
I'm
ano mo?
hungry.
Home Depot.
I'm hungry, Ma.
Gusto mo sa ano? Dito sa Tim Horton yung pizza?
Yeah. I want pizza.
Ano naman binili?
He bought a big machine to grind, to smooth the cement.
Ano na naman?
It was $200.
Magkano ang ahiram mo daw ang baro?
24 hours.
Ano naman ito eh? Ano naman pinaggagawa nito? Oh, nasa pa ibang resibo?
Saan ang resibo nun, be?
Nawala na.
Wala.
Tatlo eh.
Yan lang resibo eh.
Nahulog dun sa ano.
Ma, can we go to rec room? Ma, can we go?
Nagkakaparek room.
You said! Mama! Ma, you sit on the camera. We can go to rec room.
Kita nyo guys, yung bit-bit ng tao na yan. Babalik yan. Katapos gamitin, babalik. Pero sa akin, binili namin to nung ginawa ko ang front namin. Hindi ko siya nagamit. Ay, ito pala. Parang hindi umubra eh. Itong mga tornilyo, hindi. Kaya babalik ko. Yan, blower. Mahina yan. Meron ako yan eh. You're not a baby anymore. Remember that, bro. Kita nyo guys, returns. So, ang daming returns. Basta pagkatapos gamitin, tapos ang project, balik ang
Why
gamit.
did you do that?
No, joke lang. Ito hindi ko ginamit. Okay, thank you. Easy guys. Oh, okay. It's it. No, this one. Maliit lang siya. Ito lang siya. Pero 200 plus. Grabe ka mahal.
My day.
Yeah, 214.
Ito oh, ganda. 200 gray.
Anong kulay bang gusto mo? Ito 316.
Mama,
Gusto mo 338?
Ano gantay ka na?
Grabe.
Yung mura na lamang. Aapakan mo lang eh.
Epoxy. Epoxy shield. Ito 103. Wala eh.
Yun,
Puro
oh.
tag 100 eh. Hindi ito.
Concrete and masonry.
Hindi ito epoxy. Primer lang yan.
Primer.
Yeah, concrete masonry. Primer lang yan siya. Hindi siya epoxy. Puro ang epoxy puro tag 100 oh. 100 plus.
Hindi kakasya ang isang piraso.
Hindi nga. Kailangan dalawa. Burst. Yun o, ganyan ang mga punta. Yeah, burst, garage, drive. Yan o, kita mo, drive ready in 3 days. No hot tire pick up. 5 times more durable than 1 part floor paint. O, di ba? Mas durable siya.
5 times.
Yun o. Isang piraso lang yan, pero ito, especially paint and primer. Wala. So may presyo talaga siya.
Sadya. Mahal pa sa sa ano mo eh.
cheese.
Sa floor sa bahay.
Anong floor?
Kung magpapalit ka ng floor, ay mahal pa
Siyempre.
eh.
Epoxy yan eh. Oh. So kukuha na ako. Ha?
Alin yan? Ito.
Ayun, ilang
Epoxy
by
shield.
quart kasi yan eh. Ito ay 2.6 liters.
Ito.
Itong 298 2.5 car eh. Ah, isang ano siya.
Yan o.
7.1. Ang kaya niyang lagay ay
Tatlong car.
450 to 500 feet. Square feet. Ilang yung garahe ko.
Hindi mo sinukat.
Na meron si ChatGPT. Mo kung ano yung kay ChatGPT. What is the size of my garage?
Mahal yan, bebe.
That's $18.
Oh no.
Hmm.
Makapal yata. ito.
Ah.
Makapal yan.
475 yung sinabi ni ChatGPT.
Ito.
Square feet.
Ito.
So, ito ay 400 to 500 square feet. So, sakto lang siya sa dalawa. Ito na lang. Ha? Kunin ko na, sure ka. Tapos ibalik na lang natin yung ano.
Oo, saktong-sakto yan para sa dalawa.
Iya, patis ka
May sapat na espasyo na para sa mga gamit at galaw ng hindi masyadong masikip o mahirap ilinis.
Hoy,
Patis ka naman.
ba't ka nagsasalita? Ba't ka naririnig?
Ma. Ma.
Naririnig ni ChatGPT. Sabi niya sa akin sakto. Hindi.
I need Q-tape.
Babalik natin yung ano.
Ang alam.
Yung yung ganyan.
Ano mo ganyan?
Tapos yung base.
Oh, dahil hindi pa naman magagawa eh. Sayang yung pag nabasag, di lalo nang wala tayong
Yeah,
ano.
sige. Ano lang siya? Bukas.
Bukas na.
Ha? Sige, sige. Guys, almost $300. Libre na ang labor. Ako na ang magli-labor. $300. Grabe.
Ma, I want gum.
Libre ng labor ha.
I want gum.
Ako na ang nagli-labor. Wala ka nang babayaran sa labor. Meron akong gum. Huwag ka na.
I don't like that.
Meron na akong gum.
I don't like that gum.
Ah, enough is enough.
Why?
Enough is enough.
No.
Ano ba dito kung... Ayun, 450 to 500
Square
feet.
feet nga. Sakto nga siya dun. Sakto siya.
Diyan yung ano,
Ha?
return na natin ngayon.
May gagawin pa ako eh?
Ay, hindi kasi bukas wala kang katulong mabigat yon.
Di mamaya, bukas pag sundo ko sa'yo, kakarga ko na.
Oo.
Dito na natin.
Kaya nga.
Yeah,
Ako
yeah.
po.
Pumayag siya, bumili kami. So ngayon naman, nililitin ko siya. Kaya dinadry up ko siya ng overnight. Hindi nga lang siya talaga pantay-pantay. Pero at least nakubera na yung mga kailangan kubiran ng mga butas para hindi na siya mas lalong lumala, lalong nasisira yung slabs. Kasi pag nasisira yung slabs, lalo siyang nabiyak. Wala na, mas malaki yung aking gastos nito. Babaguhin lahat. Bukas ng umaga, overnight na dry up siya. Pinturahan mo na ito bukas. Hey guys, done. Tinulungan ako ni wife. So bukas paint na lang. Clean siya for the whole night.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Tanggal lahat ng alikabok. Oh!
Slowly. Wash it in. Wash it in.
Guys, no galing.
Then, dali mo sa akin ng susi. Lilipat ko ng karton.
Wait.
Karga muna natin yung
Wait.
ano.
Wala na time.
Ha?
Tudumihan na naman.
Dito dadaan sa gate. Kasi papasok pa natin doon. Doble-doble, di ba? Doble.
Dala ko lang. Saglit. We're all done. Nilabas namin yung mga excess na ng mga gamit. Hindi na namin kailangan. Wala na yan bukas. Magaganda pa yan eh. Yan, bigay lang din ng kapitbahay pero hindi namin kailangan. So, bukas may kukuha niyan. Bukas wala na yan. Anyway, nalinis ko na. Bukas na umaga. Pipinturahan ko na to. Yung sasakyan din. May mga gamit kaming binalik sa Home Depot today. Kasi papagawa sana ako ng papagawa sana ako ng washroom pero hindi natuloy. I don't know kung anong nangyari dun sa aking, hindi na nagre-reply yung aking magagawa na Pilipino. So yung mga gamit na binili namin, sink, base para sa standing na shower, binalik namin sa Home Depot, pati yung tawag dun, yung sink na 200 plus. Ang mahal yung base, 500, almost 600 yung base, yung tatayuan mo. So hindi na rin ako nag-order ng sliding na glass dahil walang reply. Dapat last week pa namin gagawin yung basement. Pumunta lang dito sa bahay and then hindi na nag-reply. Nung pumunta kami ng Costco, bumili kami ng toilet, hindi na nag-reply sa akin. So until now, So binalik ko na lang yung ano. Binalik ko na lang yung aking mga binili sa Home Depot at saka sa Costco. So ito na lang yung tatapusin ko, itong aking garage. At least sa aking off, magawa ko to, matapos ko to bago mag winter. Matagal pa namang winter, ilang buwan pa, but preparation. Kasi kung meron na siyang epoxy, na lagyan na siya ng epoxy, yung snow na dala ng car pag during winter time, itutulak mo na lang siya, parang i-squeegee mo na lang siya, hindi na siya mag-stagnant sa semento na maninigas, hindi na, kasi madulas yun eh. So tutulak mo lang pag may babagsak ng mga snow, tulak mo na lang siya dahil epoxy may ano siya, madulas. So yun ang aking purpose, para malinis ang aking garage kahit hindi pa siya kumpleto, totally hindi pa siya kumpleto, pati sa bumbong, no, makita ko lang siya na yung epoxy na okay na, tsaka ako makapag-decide kung lalagyan ko ng mga, kita niyo ba, lalagyan ko ng mga kisame, papalitan ng bagong ilaw. Then dito may gagawin ako dyan, lalagyan ko ng TV. May TV na ako doon isa, pero may extra akong TV malaki doon, 55, lalagyan kong 55 dito. So pwede na siyang tambayan, inuman. Ay, hindi naman ako nagiinom eh, but I mean pwede na tambayan mga kasamahan ni Kensley. Yeah, ito yung pinaglinisan kanina oh. So dry, bukas, wawalisin ko na lang siya bukas. Then that's all good, tapos na, ready na ang mga gamit. Nakabili na ako ng roller, Dollarama. Yeah, nakabili na ako, okay na lahat. Anyway, done for the day. I'll see you guys on my next video. Pagkampi mo tanan. Have a good night.